Have you ever caught yourself thinking that investing is only for those who already have thousands or millions in the bank? You're not alone. Many people believe this myth and delay starting their investment journey. But today, we're going to shatter that idea once and for all. Because the truth is, you don't need a fortune to get started. In fact, just $100 can be enough to take your very first step toward financial freedom. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. In a simple, practical, and beginner-friendly way. We're talking about proven steps that anyone can follow, regardless of experience. By the end of this video, you'll realize that starting small isn't a weakness. It's your greatest strength. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of losing money, fear of not knowing what to do. These fears are real, and I know how heavy they can feel. But here's the hard truth. While you stay paralyzed by fear, time keeps passing. And with every month that slips away, you lose a golden opportunity to make your money work for you. Imagine if you had started 1 year ago. How much closer would you be to your goals today? Investing isn't just about money, it's about time. And the best time to start wasn't yesterday, it's right now. Even if it's just $100, what matters most is building the habit, setting the foundation, and taking control of your financial future. Now let's get practical. Your first action step is to choose a reliable brokerage. Nowadays, there are platforms that allow you to open an account in minutes, right from your phone. Look for one that offers low fees, an intuitive app or website, and access to fractional shares. Once you've opened your account and transferred your $100, you're ready for the exciting part, becoming a real investor. And here's the magic. You don't need to buy a full share of a giant like Amazon or Tesla. Fractional shares let you own a piece of these companies, even with small amounts. That way, your portfolio can already have exposure to world-class businesses, laying a solid foundation for your growth over time. But listen closely, investing isn't just about putting money somewhere and hoping for the best. It's about having a plan. A winning strategy focuses on choosing strong companies with a proven track record, understanding your risk tolerance, and thinking long-term. Forget the idea of getting rich overnight. Real wealth is built patiently and strategically. With $100, you can start practicing the mindset of a real investor, selecting solid companies, diversifying your investments, and committing to your journey without letting emotions drive your decisions. Strategy beats luck every single time. And building a strategy now will pay off far more than chasing quick wins later. From now on, consistency will be your greatest ally. That initial $100 is just the beginning. Commit to adding a little bit more every month, even if it's a small amount. By doing this, you're creating a powerful habit, the habit of investing regularly. Over time, you'll watch your portfolio grow, not just because of the money you add, but because of the returns that accumulate and compound. It's not about making a single big investment, it's about making 100 small ones consistently. This is how true wealth is built. It's about showing up month after month, rain or shine, and letting time and discipline do the heavy lifting. Now, a quick but crucial warning. Beginners often fall into two dangerous traps. The first is impatience, the desire to see results immediately, leading to rash decisions. The second is putting all their money into a single stock thinking it's a sure bet. Both mistakes can be costly. That's why diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different companies, industries, and even types of assets to protect yourself from unexpected losses. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Every decision you make should be based on a solid plan, not on emotion or hype. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, and patience is the ultimate power move. One of the coolest parts about investing in stocks is discovering the magic of dividends. Dividends are profits that companies share with their investors. Even with just $100, you can start receiving small dividend payments. And here's the kicker. If you reinvest those dividends, they start generating even more income, creating a snowball effect over time. This is how passive income begins. Small amounts that, reinvested consistently, grow into something much bigger. It's one of the most powerful tools for financial freedom. And the earlier you start, the more impact it will have on your future wealth. The real superpower behind investing is something called compound interest. Imagine planting a small seed and watching it grow into a giant tree over the years. That's what happens when your investments start generating returns, and those returns in turn generate even more returns. The magic happens not immediately, but over time. Even if you only invest $100 today and never add another dollar, the growth over 10, 20, or 30 years could surprise you. Now imagine if you keep adding to it every month. That's the real power of starting now. It's not about timing the market perfectly. It's about spending time in the market. Finally, if you truly want to succeed, you need to commit to becoming a lifelong learner. The stock market changes every day, and staying informed is crucial. Read books, watch videos, follow trusted financial educators, and always be curious. Knowledge is your best investment. The more you understand how companies operate, how economies behave, and how markets react, the better your decisions will be. Investing isn't just a financial journey, it's a journey of personal growth. Every new concept you learn makes you a stronger, more confident investor, and that directly impacts the size of the future you're building. Now that you know exactly how to start investing with just $100, it's time to act. Remember, it's not about having a lot of money, it's about having the courage to start with what you have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips like this. And tell me in the comments, what's the first step you're going to take today? Let's build this journey together, one step at a time. Your future starts with the decisions you make right now, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.